In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you could check who is connected on your wireless connection. So if you're at your house and you want to check who's using your connection, there is an application here called Advanced IP Scanner. Now this application basically scans your network for devices that are connected. You can't really tell if it's through Wi-Fi, but you could see who is connected, and if you see a device that you don't recognize, then you could take action towards that device. So what I'm gonna do first, if you go down here and you type in CMD for command prompt, we want to type in a command here called ipconfig. And I have many adapters on my PC, but if you only had two of them, you will see something like wireless LAN adapter, or you will see Ethernet adapter. So this is my Ethernet adapter, which my computer is connected to. And you want to grab the IP address that you see here. So this IP address is basically what represents your network. So if you go back to Advanced IP Scanner, this is the network range. This is saying from 192.168.0.1 through .54. I want to scan this network, which generally this is what your home network range should be. You should have up to 254 clients connected. If it's something different like .1, then you just put .1. If it's a different class of IP, then you would change that to whatever class your IP address is. So if it's 10.20, 10.30, then you would change it here. In my case, I have 192.168.0. So I want to see who's connected on my network. So once I type in the IP, I will press scan. This will give you the status of the device, the name, the IP, and the MAC address. So it's trying to scan for host. And as you can see, it's finding all my devices that are connected. Some devices may not have a specific name. Therefore, it could be a cell phone. It could be anything like a Chromecast, Fire device, anything that usually doesn't broadcast its host name. So I see a lot of devices here, probably a few that I don't recognize. So what you could do is you're gonna see the MAC address here on the right side. So if I go ahead and open my browser, if I go to this website here, or I search for MAC address finder, I could go to this link here, and if I want to know what device this is, then I will basically put in the first 6 characters of the MAC address. You don't have to put all of it, just put the first 6, and then you click in here, and in here you can see that it found that this is a LG device, and this is my refrigerator. So you could do that for devices that you don't recognize and try to find the vendor and see what kind of device it is. Additionally, what you could do is, if you go back to the black screen here, the gateway is generally the router's IP address. So if you copy this address on your browser, you could enter it, and then here you could basically have different options. Mine has this option here where I could click clients and see all the clients that I have connected on my network. Once you do your troubleshooting, if you want to block those specific devices from not connecting, there's different things you could do. I would suggest doing a MAC address control, meaning that you could control and allow only specific MAC addresses from connecting to your network. So this basically prevents unknown MAC address devices from connecting to your network. However, you will need to type in all the MAC addresses of the devices that you want to allow to connect. But again, that helps in your security. Additionally, you could change your wireless password to prevent anybody from connecting in the future. All right, well, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, leave your comment below and please subscribe.